Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and yesterday I told you about the amazing ShopzPresso system that allows you to create very professional web stores like the one you see here on the screen. This is some high-end looking online store that easily would cost you $20,000 to $30,000 to get not only designed, and you can see here the pop-up that I'm a big fan of that allows you to build your list. But a store like this, just aesthetically by how it looks, would easily cost you $20,000 to $30,000 to get designed by a professional web design company. That's number one. Number two, if you wanted to go to a pre-built system like Shopify or ShopzPresso, obviously, but if you wanted to go to a competitor like Shopify, it would easily cost you a monthly fee. Okay, so let's go and check that out. I showed it in the last video as well, which I think it started at $30 a month all the way up to $300 a month to be able to use a pre-built system. And yet 20, 30, 80, $300 a month. Okay. So, and this is mostly not for the templates, but for the back end system of the platform, which is what allows you to sell digital products, physical products, and collect payments, deliver receipts, collect tax, everything, all of the back end system that allows you to run a profitable online store. That is the even more expensive part of building a online store like this. Okay, and right now we all know that online shopping is at an all-time high with everyone being at home and just pretty much shopping away, buying all kinds of things. Amazon themselves hired over 100,000 people. But besides that, the back-end system of ShopzPresso, which if I go in here real quick, all of this being able to, process orders, add products, run your own affiliate system, manage all your customers, manage your vendors. All of this, being able to manage categories and cross-selling, which is very, very big on Shopify. I believe you have to purchase an additional plugin to be able to cross-sell and to be able to add upsells and things like that. On Shopify, you have to buy and pay for monthly for separate plugins to be able to do things like that. So all of this back end, being able to email within your store, all of this stuff is very, 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 very high end. Okay, so it will cost you an additional easily $20,000 to $30,000 to get this whole back end system built for you if you're running just one store, if you go to a web design company. Okay, so besides all of that, this is a very high value system that you're running. But one thing that I wanted to point out for you guys that I want to give you a big advantage on is this part here. So this software is something that you upload to your own web host to be able to launch your own store. So it's going to be run on your own domain. Okay. So one very, very powerful booster that I'm going to give you is the ability to run your store on a domain that already comes with built-in authority. Okay, because if you built a store like this on a new domain, it's going to take some time for you to get traffic from Google. Okay, and getting traffic from Google and search engine traffic is some of the best, most targeted, most highest converting traffic you can get. So being able to build this on a domain that already comes with pre-built authority is one of the most powerful things that you can have to boost your sales right away. Okay, so what I'm going to do for the next 100 people is I'm going to give you access to my upcoming launch, which is My Traffic Jacker. We're actually releasing the 2.0 version of My Traffic Jacker, and in a nutshell, My Traffic Jacker allows you to hijack traffic from third-party authoritative websites very, very quickly and pick them up for $7 to $10 a piece. Okay, so what My Traffic Jacker does is you can search by keyword. Okay, and you can search by keyword on multiple different sites to find expired domains that are still on those websites. Okay, so an example would be something like Wikipedia or YouTube. Someone uploads a video to YouTube, they start getting a bunch of traffic, and for one reason or another, they forget to renew the domain that they put in their description area. Okay, so years pass by and that video is still getting views, it's still getting traffic, and the domain is sitting in the description area expired. Okay, you using My Traffic Jacker can purchase that domain and redirect that traffic anywhere you want. And since that domain is already several years old or several months old or already has established authority, you get a big advantage by using that domain to either, again, install ShopzPresso on it, okay, or you can redirect the traffic anywhere you want. But for the purpose of this bonus, I'm offering it so that you guys can run your web store on an age domain and have a big advantage and a big boost to be able to get traffic to it right away. All right, so in version 2.0 of My Traffic Jacker, and you can see here our members have found over 81,000 domains, expired domains using My Traffic Jacker. Okay, and in version 2.0, we're going to be increasing that for you to be able to search on 4 different platforms. Okay, now you can see there's obviously more than 4 platforms. The reason for that is because we are personally testing to find the best sites to hijack these domains from, but also the ability to unlock all of them is going to be part of our recurring upsell. Okay, so the bonus that you guys are getting here is going to be to be able to expand and hijack from 4 of these sites that you see here. Okay, 2 of them are going to be Wikipedia, YouTube, BBC, and then we're still deciding on which other one we're going to add. It's either most likely going to be Reddit or possibly Quora. Okay, so we're still kind of deciding what that is going to be. But either way, you're going to be able to hijack these domains from 4 different sites. Okay, so imagine being able to get an expired domain that still is linked to from Wikipedia or still linked to from YouTube or even BBC. Imagine that BBC has an article on their website with an expired domain that you are able to buy. Okay, so that is very, very powerful. We are releasing the version 2.0 of My Traffic Jacker on June 4th. For the next 100 people that pick up ShopzPresso, you're going to get access to My Traffic Jacker 2.0 to be able to take your shops to the next level by building it on an expired domain that already has built-in authority. Okay, but I'm also going to take that a step further, and I'm going to give you access to SynLab as well. Okay, and SynLab allows you to get even more traffic because it syndicates your content to 30 different high quality social syndication platforms, and My Traffic Jacker has it built in. Okay, the reason for that is because one of the additional ways that we use our system to get traffic is to purchase these domains, kind of revive them as a niche site, and then start building social links to them, okay, to start building them back up. So that's part of our entire system. So you'll be able to unlock SynLab as well, and SynLab does have its own web-based platform. Okay, so you're going to be able to get access to SynLab as well, and you're going to be able to complete the entire puzzle. Okay, so now you're going to be able to create high quality shops like the one that you see on here. You're going to be able to find high quality domains that are expired but are still getting traffic and still getting authority from 4 different monster sites. Okay, and you're going to get access to SynLab, which will allow you to syndicate that content all across the web. Okay, not only are you going to be able to submit your shops into SynLab directly, but you're going to be able to do it from within My Traffic Jacker as well to get even more traffic. Okay, so that's it. Again, for the next 100 people, click the link below, and if you've already purchased it through my link, you will be getting this bonus as well. Do not worry. But for the next additional 100 people, you will be able to get this as a bonus. So click the link below, pick this up, and you're getting some additional awesome bonuses to go with your purchase.